Ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments, projects with multiple benefits. A common concern today for aquatic environments is the preservation or restoration of their quality. To achieve this, decision makers, managers, designers and engineers must find environmentally friendly solutions in accordance with the Water Framework Directive, the Flood Directive and more recently the Marine Strategy Framework Directive. Numerous actions which are often unknown make it possible to apply these types of solutions. Among them, those relating to ecological engineering are gaining increasing interest due to their various benefits to the environment and its occupants. Floods are part of the natural processes that structure freshwater ecosystems, but also cause significant human, material and financial damages. Ecological engineering actions help prevent certain floods. Works for mitigation of floods have begun upstream from a peri-urban area. Along a river, expansion reservoirs have been created. These are water storage areas in the event of flooding, which also host animal and plant life. Along the river, the banks have been left in their natural state to avoid impending lateral erosion. A key process that provides sediment to rivers, diversifies habitats and ensures high biodiversity. Contrarily, when the river runs near houses, the banks, for example, can be stabilized with wooden crib walls in order to protect economic developments and activities against erosion and flooding. This is a solution that reconciles the ecological restoration of degraded environments with flood prevention and provides numerous ecological, financial and societal benefits for all of the watershed. In aquatic environments, ecological engineering can contribute to reconciling several objectives within a single project and thus provide several benefits. It participates in nature-based solutions that rely on healthy, resilient, functional and diversified ecosystems to respond to the effects of global change. For more information, please consult our collective works on ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments.